Hi, this is Mark again for SpyTech Pro Marketing. I'd like to make this short video concerning the audio quality of our FM frequency stable microphone. Here we have it hanging off of a wire approximately 70 feet away, and I'll zoom in up on it here on this pole. That's it right there with the 9-volt battery attached. And we'll zoom back. And this is tuned about 139 megahertz. And we'll tune on the radio. There you can even hear you get some feedback from 70 feet. This is a low noise, high gain design. It operates from 3 to 15 volts with a wideband frequency scanner, like an iCom, etc. It will reach between 100 to 200 meters direct line of sight on 3 volts. Just let you listen to the audio quality here. And I'll even snap my fingers and you can possibly hear that on the radio as well. Please check out our auctions on eBay. That's SpyTech Pro, SpyTech for this model and other models of security equipment available. Thank you.